Okay, we're on a tour right now, and this monkey just went zipping right past us. I mean, I'm talking an arm's length away. It was totally cool, but honestly, he was coming right at us. It was a little bit scary, and then he veered off. This is just, these are Aussie friends. This is just a little bit of the atmosphere of what we're looking at on this trek. It's very, very, very muddy. There must be a monkey up here. Oh yeah, oh, I don't have zoom.
What sort of monkey was that?
That was a spider monkey, black spider monkey.
That was cool. Was that not cool?
And more spider monkey up there too, way up there.
Well, you can see the branches flying.
Like 10 species of monkeys here.
Numerous monkeys.
Yeah.
Do you know why they're all around this area?
All of them were brought here on purpose to repopulate this island.
There's one up here.
Monkeys, the species are monkeys that were captured.
Alright, there's a monkey on the ground. Let's see how close I'm willing to go. Wow, they are all over. Oh, these are little babies. You guys, this is totally just out in the wilderness. So we're not at a zoo. There's no zoom on my camera. This is actual distance. Okay, Mom is above my head, so I don't want to get too close. I'm really close. Whoa. Okay. I need help. I need some help. What do I do?
Just ignore him.
Ignore him? I'm afraid he's gonna freaking bite me. Oh, shit. Okay, you cannot take my back. Oh no. No, I'm not gonna get my back back. Okay, I cannot believe. Oh, shit! You. His tail is wrapped around my bag.
Tip your bag, my dear.
Oh, this bag was Amy's. I could have let him take it.
Give it to me, I'll put it on my bag.
Well, I'm glad I had it for defense. I thought he was going to jump on me. Okay, we're... Oh, Christ!
No.
Okay. Do they bite?
No.
Yeah, that's what you think. Okay, that was quite entertaining. That was my thrill for the day. I don't want to get any closer to these little beasts. Wow. That was a little scary, I must admit. There's some big monkeys up there. Oh my god, monkeys are absolutely everywhere. Wish I had a zoom on this camera. That's a termite nest right there. He's just watching the ants. Yeah, I'm not coming any closer, trust me. All that noise that you hear is the monkeys jumping from branches above our heads. Wow, they are just everywhere.